Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I'm going to model one simple house, and I'm going to texture it also. I'm going to model one house and texture it also in Blender. So let's start. First, I'm going to create one box. Hello friends, that's it. So this is our final render. So this is our final render. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.